Okay, we're going to do completing the square. I'm going to use the equation x squared plus 6x minus 7 equals 0. First step, I'm going to get the 7 to the other side. That gives me x squared plus 6x equals 7. I'm going to leave a plus blank on either side. Remember here, you're going to take b, you're going to cut it in half, and you're going to square it. So half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is equal to 9, and that's what you put in the empty space. What you do to one side, you do to the other to keep it balanced, so you're going to put a 9 here as well. Remember, when you complete the square here, what happens is it gives you one parenthesis with the square. Now remember, it's x, and it's whatever you took half of. So since I did 6 divided by 2, that is 3, so it's plus 3 squared equals, go ahead and add the 9 and 7, which is 16. Then, in order to get rid of the square, you're going to take the square root of both sides. Remember, when you take the square root of both sides, when you take the square root of a constant, that gives you plus and minus because there's two ways of getting 16. One is 4 times 4, the other one is negative 4 times negative 4. The square root takes care of the square, leaving you with x plus 3 is equal to plus or minus. Now the square root of 16 is 4. At this juncture, you want to create two equations. The first one will be x plus 3 equals 4. The other one will be x plus 3 equals the other, which is negative 4, the other answer. Now we're just going to solve for x. So we're going to subtract 3, and x is equal to 1. Subtract 3, and x is equal to negative 7. Remember, what you have just found are your roots. So this would be negative 1, 0. I'm sorry, not negative 1, 0. That would be 1, 0 and negative 7, 0. So if you were to draw an impromptu graph, it would be somewhere around, let's see, 1 and negative 7. And we know the y-intercept's at negative 7 right here. So it's going to look something like this. Smiley face, open up. Okay? And that is basically how you would do completing the square.